For me, this recognition signifies courage to accept and embrace oneself, courage to break boundaries and defy standards, courage to rise above all the setbacks and challenges that one artist or one person has to face.
You are now on the elite status of membership. So as per checking this...
Ito yung walang mindset. Wala yung videographer nila mamaya. So kailangan namin hindi ito i-captain.
Thank you!
Thank you guys! The best! Ingat! Bye-bye! Ganda ng lounge, ha? Uy, doggy! How do you feel that we're going to LA?
I can feel the pressure. I can feel the excitement.
Are you excited for the flight?
Yes, excited for the food. Excited for the nuts.
What can you say about the new lounge at Tower?
Beautiful.
It's actually super nice, huh?
May Chinese noodles ko na. Ayan.
Good evening!
Lux 118. Next in line po. Please check it. 118. Jacket po. Hello. Hi.
Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Salamat.
Bye-bye! For dinner, Bob?
Salad. Whatever. Thank you. Nice. Love, no?
So, yes please. Thank you. Alright guys, it was a really good meal. Time to sleep and the wife's still reading. Can you enjoy your meal?
Sarap ng abahab.
Good night. Love you, Bob. Alright guys, the day before the big day. We're waiting for Sarah to get some breakfast. We're gonna do last minute touch-ups for Sarah today. She's gonna do her hair, her nails and all. The glam team's arriving this evening. And then the big day is tomorrow for Sarah. So let's do this. And we had a really good sleep last night. Super good. Did you guys sleep well? Amazing.
Eat the tweet as is.
Sarah's answering questions right now for Twitter.
At the tweet. Sorry.
Really?
And a bit. This is big for you. Hindi lang. Has hemp hearts.
This is not milk. This is almond milk. So guys, it's a rush day today. The day before the awards.
Before the store.
So Sarah's gonna be doing her nails. Locally. What do you have? What do you want, babe? Calamansi or dalandan? Okay, for Sarah. Bye-bye, that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a hair color. Dye my hair. This color is a little well. The grease are starting to come out.
Does that feel better?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, it looks shinier and healthier.
Hi, baby.
And of course, so,
Hello.
hi.
Bye-bye. Kulit niya, no? Hi, baby. Hello. Hello.
No. You got him here, na?
Ready for dinner. Ready for dinner.
Ano? Ano nga? Ay!
Kotse. Up.
May adobo dito! May dala akong adobo!
Tapos nakapolo pa. Tapos malalaking pants.
Yung boyfriend, meron sila dito.
Ang importante.
Ourselves. Kasi tapos na ourselves.
Okay na ba ito? Pwede na po.
Kahit abroad,
When we ask. Hair.
Bawas na lang.
Is she from Pembroke?
Nawa yung video.
Tatago ko sa Hello. Show me the
3, 2, and go. And pause.
Jessica Rabbit.
Bye-bye! Good luck, have fun!
Thank you very much, Billboard, for celebrating women in music, and of course, for giving our country this meaningful recognition. Maraming salamat to Billboard Philippines for your commitment to bring our music, the Filipino music, and more Filipino artists to a global audience. I humbly accept this award on behalf of every amazing and excellent Filipino artist back home and all over the world. Hindi ko po inisip, hindi ko po pinangarap na mararating ko po yung ganito, that I'll be able to deliver a speech in front of an international audience. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yung grammar ko? Muli, ako po si Sarah Geronimo, isang Pilipina. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you, Billboard. Thank you, Lord. Parang I only see things like this on television. How does it feel to be honored tonight? I am grateful. I'm thankful to Billboard for choosing me to represent our beautiful country, the Philippines. Ay,
Congratulations, Bob!
Buhay ang OPM.
Billboard PH, baby!
Billboard PH, thank you! Same here, thank you very much. You're the first one. I know, thank you very much.
You're
You are beautiful. Effortlessly.
Awesome.
All
All right.